Welcome to Baby Need. This channel is about giving tips for women who are planning for pregnancy or going through pregnancy. Also, we give information on your responsibilities in taking care of your baby. Today in this video we are going to explain about the natural home remedies for baby's cold and cough. The most common way to treat a baby's cold is with natural home remedies. These remedies are inexpensive and effective, and they are also safe for babies. First of all, let's discuss about what are the causes for cold and cough, then how to treat them at home, and what are the natural home remedies. What are the causes of cold and cough in babies? Babies are more susceptible to catching a cold or a cough because they have weaker immune systems. They are also exposed to more people and more germs than adults are, so they are more likely to get sick. In general, people get cold through food items or bacteria, or from cold weather, or from infected persons. A baby's immune system is not fully developed until about 6 months of age, which means that their body is less able to fight off germs and bacteria. They can also be exposed to many new germs through contact with other children at daycare or school, or to the germs which spread in air when other people cough or sneeze, which makes it easier for them to catch a virus or bacteria that they haven't been exposed to yet. If the baby has had a cold before, their symptoms will be milder and last for less time than if this was the first time they've ever had one. There are many causes of colds and coughs in babies. They can be caused by a virus, bacteria, or even a chemical. Babies are more prone to catching colds and coughs because they have less developed immune systems than adults. This is why it is very important to take care of your baby when they have a cold or cough to make sure they don't get sick too often. Babies are more prone to catching a certain type of virus. So it's better to maintain hygiene and sanitize or wash hands on a regular basis. It might help to prevent cold and cough or any other bacterial infections. Children under the age of 12 months are at increased risk of developing acute bronchiolitis, a serious respiratory infection that affects the small airways in the lungs, when they have a cold. Acute bronchiolitis is more likely to develop when children have a fever, when they're sick for more than 2 days without improving, or if their lungs are already damaged. The median age of patients who develop acute bronchiolitis is 3 months old, but the average age is 6 months. Cough is mainly of 2 types, dry cough and wet cough. If the phlegm exists in throat and nasal area, it causes wet cough, and in case phlegm does not exist at all, then it will lead to dry cough.
How to treat a baby's cold or cough at home. This article is written to provide information on how to treat a baby's cold or cough at home. The first step is to wipe the baby's nose with a wet cloth or tissue. This will help loosen up any phlegm that may be stuck in the nose. It is also important to keep the baby hydrated, so it is important to give them plenty of fluids such as water, juice, and broth. The last step would be to administer medication as prescribed by your doctor if you are not sure what type of medication should be given. This section provides information on how to treat a baby's cold or cough at home and includes steps that should be taken when doing so. Give your baby plenty of fluids and make sure your baby is not dehydrated. Warm liquids, like warm water and juice, are good for soothing the throat and digestive tract. It is important to stay hydrated when you have the flu in order to prevent or reduce the severity of a fever. Fluids also help thin out mucus, making it easier to cough up and blow your nose. Fluids also help keep you from getting dehydrated. There are several natural remedies for baby's cold and cough, like humidifier, honey, lemon, ginger, etc. We will discuss them in detail in the coming video. Home remedies for baby's cold and cough Part 2, please stay tuned. For more information and updates, visit our website babyneed.in. Thanks for watching this video completely. Please like, share, subscribe to our channel for more videos, and also comment your questions in the comment box below.